Riwruoge mag oganda e kaonti ma Migori yuago pek mar yudo obok mag bajet mag kaonti no. Jokanyo mar riwruoge mag oganda kotelnegi kod Sidi Otieno wacho ni pek mar yudo obok mag bajet osemiyo thothgi ok nyal chiwo pachgi makare e weche mag bajet mag kaonti no. Sidi wacho ni deber ka obok mag bajet oketi e mbui mondo mi oganda obed gi yot mar somogi. Jokanyo mar riwruoge mag oganda bende dwaro mondo mi pach oganda onywand makare e chenro mag bajet.
Like right now, we are supposed to be discussing the county budget review and outlook paper, but it's not on the website. Yet we have deadlines. So that's one of the issues that we're asking ourselves as CSOs then, how can we maybe work with the county government to improve on this? The county have mechanisms, for example, to take over projects from donors, because if a donor funds a project and then it is finished, then the county should be able to have measures of sustaining that.
So public participation being their constitutional guaranteed, they are supposed to know at what level are they supposed to be participating, and when they're participating, what are some of the issues that they need to raise, concerns, so that the county takes cognizance and knows that the citizens of this particular county are aware of what the county is supposed to provide, and they also take ownership of the projects that are supported by the county, because at the end of it all, it is not a government for the government to benefit, it is for the citizens to benefit.
Legal and the policy gaps when it comes to public participation, because we've realized that in Migori County we do not have a domesticated public participation act, and so we are looking forward to work together with the county government so that we put in place structures such as the legal and the policy frameworks on how best the county governments can engage citizens when it comes to public participation.